Queen sitting near a very beautiful window where they lay, facing the snow. Accidentally, her finger was pierced by a sewing needle, so that 3 drops of blood dripped off. The drops of blood fell down on the snow. The red color of the blood was stuck in the wet of the snow looked very pretty. Suddenly, the queen thought, if only I had a child whose skin was as white as snow and whose lips were as red as blood. As the time went by, finally a queen gave birth to a very pretty princess whose skin was as white as snow and whose lips were as red as blood. The queen grew up as a very pretty and clean-haired girl. She was called Snow White. However, when Snow White was a teenager, the queen died because of, of an illness. After the queen died, the king married again. This new queen gave birth wicked and had Snow White. Every day the queen stood in front of her magic mirror was asking, "Who is the most beautiful woman in the land?" And the mirror always answered, "No, you are the most beautiful one of all." The new queen asked the same question every day, and the mirror always answered the same thing. But one day the mirror answered that the queen was so beautiful, but Snow White was much more beautiful than the queen. It made the queen so angry that she gave order to one of her huntsmen to take Snow White into the wood and kill her. The huntsman had so shot and killed her that he clothed to die. Did he out her for run away while falling into the what she the spot a press in bed. She drove she left left their half the horse was small and sky. Snow White interrupted the little horse and fought in very until it. Then she started to clean up a still horse. In the style, she fought seven little pets. She was so exhausted. Then she texted out on one of the bed. Not long after that, she was asleep on the bed.
When the dwarfs came home, they were surprised to find Snow White. After some argument, decided to let her stay. She promised to cook and look after them. They lived there together happily. Unfortunately, the queen discovered the place where Snow White was living and disguising herself as a witch. She then took a potion apple and set out for the dwarf's cottage. She gave Snow White the potion apple, and as soon as she bit, she sank into unconsciousness. Thinking she was dead, the dwarfs built a glass coffin and put her in it. For days she lay in the forest in her glass coffin. One day, the prince was riding through the forest looking for Snow White and found her. He leaned over and kissed her. She opened her eyes and sat up with a smile. Everyone was happy at the time. The prince took Snow White to his palace, where they were married and lived happily ever after.